What's up, everyone? Welcome. Welcome to Box Break 2014 Topps Inception Football. It is 8:31 p.m. Tuesday, August 19th, Eastern Time, New York. Thank you all for joining, and let's get right to it. These are the names and the teams owned. Auction ended yesterday on the 18th on eBay. And you should all see who you have. All right. Here we go. First box. Good luck. And you'll know there's one pack right here. Empty box. It's the first time I'm opening this box, so let's start from the top. We got Steve Smith, Inception, base, unnumbered, Steve Smith. We got Zach Stacy base. This is numbered out of 50, 20 out of 50. Zach Stacy for the Rams. First hit, Derek Carr, nice two-color patch. 19 out of 122 for the Raiders. There you go. 19 out of 122, Derek Carr. Ah, wow, look at this. This is a really, really nice patch. This is very cool. Auto patch. Check this out. Austin Jenkins, Buccaneers. Nice threads over here. The only thing is this is not numbered. No, this is not a numbered patch. It's a sticker auto, but some nice threads on this one. Not a great auto, but nice patch colors here for the Buccaneers. And if it would focus, you see a little better. There you go. Bucks. Auto for the Mr. Jenkins again. Tampa Bay Jenkins pack. On-card auto, unnumbered. Tampa Bay. 2 hits already for Tampa. Manti Te'o base card. Chargers. And a base card, E.J. Manuel, also unnumbered for the Buffalo Bills. And that is box number 1. And here we go, box number 2. The box. Clay Matthews, Packers, base unnumbered. We got Doug Martin numbered out of 50, another Tampa Bay, 23 out of 50. Tampa did well. 23 out of 50. And sorry about the focus, but there it is. 23 out of 50, Doug Martin. Jumbo for Mr. Carr, Raiders again. 210 out of 215. All black. And the focus, as usual, it's 210 out of 215. Nice patch here as well. This is Jarvis Landry, Dolphins, wide receiver. 1, 2, 3, 4 colors. Auto for the Dolphins. This is a nice one. Also unnumbered. And on-card auto for Dante Moncrief, wide receiver for the Colts. It's also unnumbered. And we got a Ryan Matthews base card, unnumbered, and a Peyton Manning base card, also unnumbered. And that is it So looks like the Bucks had a good break. 2 hits, 3 hits actually. And guys, thank you for joining. I will get these shipped out hopefully by tomorrow. If not, definitely by Thursday. Should be in the mail. Got any questions? Got my eBay. Look for some more breaks I'll be doing. I'm going to be doing National Treasures hockey, so if you guys are into that, just look for that on my eBay. And that's it. Have a good night. Thank you.